Hello and welcome to another quick tutoring video from me, this tutor, and this time looking at the Edexcel iGCSE topic of America 1918 to 41, and we're going to be looking at describe question skills about the Roaring Twenties. In this video we're going to be practicing our describe skills, and we're going to be looking in particular at the Roaring Twenties, the ideas of leisure and entertainment in society and how those things developed. So use this video firstly to test your knowledge on this topic. We're going to have a quick quiz. So do use the pages of my revision guide and also my videos on the 1920s to help you prepare for that. And then we're going to talk through how to answer a question correctly for the 6-mark describe question. So now, over to our quick quiz. Okay, so here's 8 questions about society and entertainment and elements about the Roaring Twenties. So use the revision guide to help you find these answers, or revise first and just test yourself without looking through the revision guide or the videos. Pause for now and give it a go. So let's go through the answers. So question number 1, what percentage of college graduates married their first sexual partner in pre-war USA? So that is 80%. Now the point of that answer is to give you the idea of America being very conservative still, the roles of men and women, and there wasn't such freedom for people at this time. There wasn't such a liberal society. It's a very traditional society. When did women gain the vote in the USA? So 1920. So America progressing in terms of feminism to some extent, but women, as mainly suggested question 1, are more in a conservative relationship with men. Question number 3, list 2 fashions of a flapper. So short hair, beads, short dress or skirt, makeup. So very much a challenge to traditional idea of women and that religious control of women that took place at this time. Name 2 dances from jazz clubs. So men and women are out there now socialising a lot more challenging types of dances and fashions and entertainment for traditional America to cope with. And 2 out of 3 ideas might be the Charleston, the one step, or the black bottom. Question number 5, modern conveniences help women in the home. How much did refrigeration production increase in the 1920s? So 150%. So now women don't have to go to the shop every single day. They can go to the shops every few days and fill up the refrigerator, keeping food fresh. So that gives women more independence and not always having to go to the shop and do jobs. Suggests also that some things can be pre-made to some extent, and not having to make everything afresh. Question number 6, name the code that censored film. So the Hays Code, and that meant that there was always good behaviour. There wasn't going to be sexualisation in films. It's going to be quite traditional values in films still. Name the first talkie film. So that's The Jazz Singer, 1927. And how many people went to cinema every week by 1930? So 100 million people. So real boom in entertainment. People have money, they can go to cinema. Okay, so let's look at our question now. It says, describe 2 features of a flapper. 6 marks. So let's plan our answer now. You can find a space in the revision guide, or you can just use a piece of paper. Let's pick out a couple of points, bits of evidence. So remember from my last video about how to do a describe question. You need to have a point and then some evidence, a point and then evidence. Make sure you are creating an argument, not just listing information. So think now about 2 points or features of a flapper, and the information and evidence you'd use to back up that idea. So pause now and think of some ideas. Here's my ideas then. I've firstly gone for the idea that flappers represent more freedom for women from the old-fashioned values and traditional ideas. Some of those ideas came up in our quiz, and I sort of pointed to them as we talked about it. So flappers socialised without chaperones and would attend nightclubs and social events, go to dances, and we listed some of those dances and some of those ideas in the quiz. Also, flappers represent a change in fashion and culture. Flappers wore short skirts, had short hair, wore makeup. They went to dance clubs and jazz halls. They did very different things in terms of fashion and culture. So we've got some ideas now. So how would we write the answer? So remember, as I said earlier, we want to make a point and give some evidence. Then we'd make another point and give some evidence. So a very clear writing frame. Let's write our answer now then. So firstly, come up with your opening point. Think about our plan. What would we say? So 1 feature flapper was, pause now and come up with your idea. Okay, so I said 1 feature flapper was that they challenged old-fashioned values. Then we need to give some evidence. For example, so pause me now and give some evidence to back up that idea. So here's what I've come up with. So for example, they would not be escorted by chaperones, but free to socialise with men without being watched. They would attend nightclubs and socialise with men. This caused concern in groups like the Anti-Flirt League, emerged as a result. So a sort of challenge to the conservative traditional society. So let's do another idea. So make your opening point again. So another feature of a flapper was, give your opening point, think about the plan we made, and then in a moment we'll come back to the point and then we'll think about some evidence. So pause me now and make your opening point. Okay, so here's my opening point. So I said another feature of the flapper was that they changed fashion and culture. Okay, so let's give some evidence to back that up, shall we? So for example, think about a plan, get some ideas. If you come up with something new, brilliant. Give some evidence now to back it up. Okay, so I said, for example, flappers had short hair, short skirts, more makeup. It's created a new look for women. Additionally, they helped spread jazz club culture by popularising dances like the Charleston. Okay, so let's look at another question then. So what about cinema in this time period? So here is a question, describe 2 features of cinema in the 1920s. So look at the writing frame there, and I'd like you to give this answer a go by yourself. Think about your opening point. So one feature of cinema was, maybe you could talk about entertainment, for instance, popularity of the cinema. Maybe people have more money to spend. Maybe it represents something about society. Maybe it's about technology of the cinema, the desire to be entertained. Let's come up with some ideas, then back up those ideas with 1 or 2 sentences of facts and information. So pause it now, give it a go, and I'll show you an example answer. Okay, so here's my example answer. So one feature of cinema in the 1920s was that it was hugely popular and led to actors becoming very famous. For example, 35 million people went to cinema every week in the 1920s. Due to talkies, this number increased to 100 million by 1930. The star system helped make stars like Chaplin famous. It promoted films and made companies like MGM successful. And the second idea, another feature of cinema in the 1920s was that it upheld good moral values. For example, it had the Hays Code, banned nudity, lengthy kisses, and crimes that led to success. This meant that cinema had to align with Christian values in America of good behaviour. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful and you've tested your skills and you also revised your knowledge a little bit more. If you did find it useful, then do subscribe to my channel. Look out for more of my videos. You can find a whole playlist on this topic in my YouTube channel. And also, do find out more about my revision guide if you found it useful. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye for now.